A victorious woman that inspires me definitely has to be my late mother. Reason why it's my late mother, it's because uma umfazi wokuqala kubaba, kubafazi abawu-5. And with everything that happened, umfazi wesibili makamkhipha kubaba, when she was pregnant to me, she had abafana abayi-3. But because of her heart, uma eqeda ukushona umamncane wami, she took labantwana. And she was a foster parent. Wathatha abobhuti bami, my half brothers abayi-3, wabakhulisa as her own. Despite the fact that lo muntu wesifazane uye wamkhipha kubaba. So she was an amazing woman, I'm not going to lie to you. And one thing I know that I took from her, it's definitely the voice and her heart, because she was an amazing vocalist. She was one of those people, makuthiwa ugesi uhambile esontweni bekwaziwa nje ukuthi uzoqhuma emuva, aqhume kuzwakala isonto lonke. She portrayed this strong woman, even when it was hard. At some point it was really hard. And umage, she was one of those people ubeka wayengafundile. Wayethengisa esikolweni. At some point wayethengisa emholweni, ngangithengisa naye emholweni ke mina. So wayengenalutho, but the only thing she had was life, and wayekhuluma ukuphila kubantu. So which is one thing that I would like to do, and I'm still doing. Anything that I do, even with my music, ngifuna ukukhuluma ukuphila kubantu so that they can understand that uNkulunkulu khona.